Okay, so we're going to go over the questions here, guys. I do record this. Obviously, I don't post it till the end of the day. Otherwise, that would be a ridiculously unfair advantage for anyone who has me in period 3 or 4. Okay, but I do podcast these because if you're going through your marks in preparation for a unit exam, the quizzes is one of the things you should look at. If there's a quiz you didn't do well on, you can always look it up because you know what date it happened on. You can go back in Google Classroom, look up that quiz, okay, try it again, and then play the recording of it and see if you did better and actually picked everything up. All right, so the purpose of recording this is so that you are able to do that later. All right. Okay, so list the points of the atomic theory. As long as they have the general gist of these 4 points, okay, they're good. The first point, they have to have something or somewhere in there, they've got to have all matter is made up of atoms. I don't care whether they have the indivisible part in there, okay? As long as they say somewhere that all matter is made up of atoms. Okay, second point, they got to have something about atoms of the same element being identical, okay, or atoms of different elements being different. They don't necessarily have to have both, as long as there's something in there about atoms of the same element or being the same, or atoms of different elements being different. Okay, third point, atoms can combine in whole number ratios to form compounds. They have to have something like that. The whole number ratio part is crucial. All right, and I did say that several times in class. The most important part of point number 3 is the whole numbers part, because it says you can't have parts of an atom in a compound. Question? No, they don't have to be in order. Okay. All right, and then the last point talks about what happens in a chemical reaction. So atoms are separated, joined, or rearranged, but they're not changed from one atom to another. Something like that, if they've got the gist of that in there. Question?
Rearranged and but they don't separate.
Yeah, good enough. That's fine. That's fine. They have separated, joined, rearranged? Good enough. Good enough. Okay. By the way, guys, just so you know, in terms of marking, I don't give half marks. You either got it or you didn't. So if you give them a half mark, don't. I'm just going to take it away. Okay. You're going to look like the good guy. You're going to look like the good guy. I'm going to look like the bad guy. It doesn't matter to me. Okay. But no, I don't give half marks. You either got it right or you didn't. Okay. All right. Question number 2. Who devised this theory? If they have Dalton written down, good enough. Okay. If they said John Dalton, great. If they just said Dalton, fine. If they said anything else, not so good. Okay. Number 3. Name and describe the particles in an atom. All right. For 1 mark. Proton, positive, nucleus. That's 1 mark. Okay, they got to have those 2 points about the proton, where it is, what its charge is. Okay, electron, negative, cloud. Neutron, neutral, nucleus. Okay, those are your 3 marks.
How about for electron, orbit around the nucleus?
Okay, I'll take that. Yep. Floats around the nucleus. Yeah, as long as they said it's not in the nucleus. Okay, if they said the electron's in the nucleus, that's wrong. If they said around the nucleus, orbiting, whatever, I'll take that as long as it says it's not in the nucleus.
So it's supposed to be half.
It's just wrong. Yeah, they got to get it all right to get it right. Okay, so clarification, guys. They have to have all of the points there to get it right. If they said electron, negative, nucleus, it's wrong. Okay, they didn't get it all right. They got to get it all. Okay, number 4, which particle did Thompson discover? The electron. Okay, 1 mark for the electron. Who proved the existence of the nucleus? Rutherford for 1 mark. Okay, and then for de Broglie's model, as long as they've got something that looks kind of like this, where they got some protons and neutrons, maybe they put N's in the middle or nothing. Okay, and then some electrons around the outside in a cloud. Good. Okay, that's 1 mark. All right, they got to have the electron cloud model and everything in the right place. Okay. No, that's the Bohr model. Okay, so here's. Oh, sorry. Question. They're outside the cloud? Oh, no, I thought that's what they meant. That's good enough. Yeah. Okay, so we've got here 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11 marks. So give them a mark out of 11 at the top. Okay, and then just put them in a nice, neat pile right over here on the table.